Today I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken soup using the leftovers from a Costco rotisserie chicken. So to make this chicken soup, you're going to need at least a third of the chicken left. You can see that this one, the breasts are gone, we've got a leg left, and the 2 wings are on there, and whatever meat is on the bottom. And if you forget a part of this recipe, it'll be in the description below. So get yourself a good sized pot. This one is 10 inches across, and it is 7 inches deep. Now take your chicken, the skin, the bones, and everything and put it in the pot. And don't throw this out quite yet. Now take your measuring cup and measure 14 cups of water and put it into the pot. You heard right, 14 cups. So if you're using your chicken right out of the fridge, there'll still be some good juice in here that you can put in the soup. So make sure you take some hot water, swish it around in here, and put it into the soup. And now put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover it and turn it on low and let it simmer for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, take your chicken out and put it on a cookie sheet. That way it keeps all the liquid in one spot. And now we'll take this and put it aside until it's cool enough to handle. Now just take your broth and strain it to make sure that there's no skin or bones left in it. So now that the chicken has cooled down, we're just going to take our hands and we're going to pull off all the meat off of it. It'll come off really easily, it's really soft, and we'll pull it all apart, separate the bones and the skin. So that only took about 5 minutes, and you can see we've got lots of little chicken bits to put in our soup. So now just put it onto a cutting board and cut it up into smaller pieces. And now add the meat to the pot. So now take about 4 or 5 pieces of celery, leaves and all, and about 3 good-sized onions, and about 5 carrots. And chop everything up into nice bite-sized pieces. Now take the celery and carrots and put them in the microwave for 3 minutes on high. That just helps to soften everything up so it doesn't have to cook as long. Now put everything in the pot. Add 1 1/4 cups of pearl barley. 1 1/4 tablespoons of salt. And 2 chicken cubes. And 1 tablespoon of Clubhouse Signature Greek spice. And then just give it a good stir. And then cover it and put it back on simmer for another 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that. This is not a thin soup. This is a real hearty, thick soup. This will really coat your bones. Okay, let's give this a go. Oh, that is really good. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time.